I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Projects. I want to do a little mock-up on the mechanics of the dumbwaiter.
Okay.
So we have at least one fixed point at the bottom, and then it goes up to the top. The table could have, like if we're looking.
Don't draw on the deck.
Start your winch, pulls it up.
The mock-up actually worked surprisingly well, but knowing us, the real thing probably isn't going to work that way.
Drinks everywhere.
I got that new ATV winch, man, that we could try that out for the dumbwaiter. I'm kind of hoping it'll work, because it would be neat to sit up on the deck and just have a switch and up and down.
Food and drinks coming up. So we did a dumbwaiter test with Kevin's ATV winch.
Okay, time it.
But it was a little bit
Almost there, man.
slow. I'm sure we can find a way of speeding it up.
But now, I have food and drink.
It's up to me to build this dumbwaiter shelf while Kevin's up there fishing. Yeah, Kevin was fishing for half the day. Anything that guy can do to get out of work, he'll do it. Winter's coming along. We've got a cantilever table that's hanging off one end of the sea can. We've got a couple of guide poles that are stuck in the ground now.
We should make the dumbwaiter out of a mannequin. Head pops right up out of here.
That's good. And now we have to figure out the mechanism that's gonna lift and lower the table that's the dumbwaiter.
The dumbwaiter is probably going to be the hardest thing of the day.
Go for it. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
This ain't happening.
So for the dumbwaiter, we had quite a few design ideas. We were going to try an ATV winch. That was pretty cumbersome. So we ended up with this two-pole system, and it's powered by a drill. All right, prepare to be amazed.
You have to have it on both. Okay. All right. To my great surprise, Kevin's drill-powered dumbwaiter solution worked awesome. See if you can get my beer to the top before I get there. On your mark. Get. Where's my beer?
This?
Oh, shit, guys.
Our ultimate rooftop patio is nearly done. We just have one final touch to add.
Right now, I'm just making what we're calling the smart waiter. It's essentially like a dumbwaiter, except it's Walker, so it's ultra brilliant. He couldn't make it down to help us out this weekend, so we decided to incorporate him into the build anyway. That's what you get for not helping out, buddy. Then we just need some hands. Grab a beer?
Yeah, for sure.
All right. Oh, here it comes. Why, thank you, sir.
What's up there, donut holes?
Oh.
And I was feeling guilty about coming down here.
Did that surprise you?
I wouldn't have been more surprised if I woke up sewed into a carpet.
It was crazy.